In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block ads in Microsoft Edge. If you're tired of those pesky ads interrupting your browsing experience, stick around because we're diving into a straightforward method to enhance your online experience. Let's get started right now by launching Microsoft Edge. You'll find that wonderfully familiar icon on your desktop, so go ahead and open the browser. Once Edge is up and running, your next task is to navigate to the top right corner of the window and locate that three-dot menu icon. It's commonly known as the Settings and More menu. Give that a click to unveil a drop-down menu packed with options you might not have known about. From this drop-down menu, find and select Settings. This will open a new tab dedicated to all the configurations that Microsoft Edge offers. Here, you can fine-tune everything about your browsing experience. In the left-hand column, find the Privacy, Search, and Services option. This section is where the magic happens in terms of ad blocking and privacy settings. Once you're there, focus your attention on the section titled Tracking Prevention. This is designed to keep unwanted advertisers at bay. You'll notice 3 levels of tracking prevention: Basic, Balanced, and Strict. To block more ads and trackers, you'll want to set this to Strict. This might result in occasional functionality loss on some sites, but it provides robust protection against unwanted tracking. So just click on Strict and breathe a little easier knowing your data is more secure. After setting tracking prevention, the next step is to tackle cookies, another culprit when it comes to ads. Scroll down in the same Settings tab until you reach the Cookies section. Here, look for the option to block third-party cookies. Toggle that switch, effectively telling Edge not to allow these cookies that advertisers use to track your movements across different websites. Feeling empowered? Good. Now, let's venture a little further to optimize your settings. Head back to the main Settings menu and scroll down to locate the Site Permissions section. This is another crucial area for controlling what web pages can do while you visit. Click into Site Permissions, and then on All Permissions. Among the options listed, you'll see something called Pop-ups and Redirects. Click there and simply toggle the switch. This will help minimize those annoying pop-ups that barrage you as you surf the web. And just like that, with a few clicks and toggles, you've significantly reduced the number of ads in your Microsoft Edge browser. Enjoy a cleaner, more streamlined experience as you browse the internet. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tech tips. Happy browsing!